Hello everyone. Question is a developer is tasked with creating an application-centric feature on which end users can access and update information. This feature must be available in Lightning experience while working seamlessly in multiple device form factors such as desktops, phones, and tables. Additionally, the feature must support addressable URL tabs and interact with the Salesforce console APIs. What are the two approaches a developer can take to build the application and support the business requirements? Choose two options. Option A, create the application using Lightning Wave components wrapped in Aura components. Option B, create the application using Aura components wrapped in Lightning Wave components. Option C, create the application using Lightning Experience Builder. Option D, create the application using Aura components. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is a developer must create a custom pagination solution for accessing approximately 2000 records and displaying 50 records on each page. Data from Salesforce will be accessed via an API and not via Apex. How can the developer meet these requirements? Choose two options. Option A, use a standard set controller. Option B, use cursor 50 in SOQL queries. Option C, use offset in SOQL queries. Option D, use limit 50 in SOQL queries. Correct answer is option C and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is the account edit button must be overridden in an org where a subset of users still uses Salesforce Classic. The org already has a Lightning component that will do the work necessary for the override and the client wants to be able to reuse it. How should a developer implement this? Option A, override the edit button for both Lightning and Classic with a Lightning component. Option B, override the edit button for both Lightning and Classic with a new Visual Force page. Option C, override the edit button for Lightning with a Lightning page, and for Classic, override the edit button with a Visual Force page that contains the Lightning component. Option D, override the edit button for Lightning with a Lightning component, and for Classic, override the edit button with a Visual Force page that contains the Lightning component. Correct answer is option C. Question is a developer has written an after update trigger on account. A workflow rule and field update cause the trigger to repeatedly update the account records. How should the developer handle the recursive trigger? Option A, deactivate the trigger and move the logic into a process or flow. Option B, deactivate the workflow rule to prevent the field update from executing. Option C, use a static variable to prevent the trigger from executing more than once. Option D, use a global variable to prevent the trigger from executing more than once. Correct answer is option C. Question is an org has a requirement that the shipping address on the account must be validated by a third-party web service before the account is allowed to be inserted. This validation must happen in real time before the account is inserted into the system. Additionally, the developer wants to prevent the consumption of unnecessary SME statements. What is the optimal way to meet this requirement? Option A, make a call out to the web service from a custom Visual Force controller. Option B, make a call out to the web service from a before insert trigger. Option C. Make a call out to the web service from a standard Visual Force controller. Option D. Make a call out to the web service from an after insert trigger. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.